Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start with safety and access, disconnect the negative battery, and lift the car onto jack stands so you can work under it. Once the oil is drained, remove the under tray and unplug mechatronic connectors. This prevents electrical damage. Now drop the drive shafts and unbolt the gearbox to separate it from the engine. You do this early because gearbox separation gives clear access to the clutch packs. Make sure you tag bolts and note orientation for reassembly, because alignment matters later. With the gearbox removed, you expose the dual clutch assembly. Remove the pressure plate and take out both clutch packs one at a time so you keep parts ordered. Inspect the flywheel and friction plates. Replace anything scored or glazed, since surface finish affects engagement quality. Fit new friction and steel plates using a clutch alignment tool so the splines seat properly. Then clean and lightly lube splines, replace seals, and tighten fasteners to the manufacturer torque to prevent leaks and misalignment. You reassemble the gearbox, reconnect drive shafts and all electrical connectors, then refill with the correct DSG fluid to the specified level. This preserves clutch life. Once done, use a diagnostic scan tool to run the adaptation or relearn procedure so the transmission control module maps the new clutch characteristics. Finally, perform a careful test drive. Start with low load shifts, then increase load while monitoring temps and shift quality. If you get judder or harsh shifts, check adaptation values and mechatronic fault codes first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.